Hi, I'm Dr. Gary Mendoza. Just a short video to talk a little bit about the behaviour change and motivational interviewing workshop, which starts a week Sunday, so 22nd of November at 2:30, and the module runs for about 3 hours on the first one, and then after that 3 consecutive Sundays, and each one of those modules runs for about 2 hours. So that's up and coming. I think there's about 5 places left on the workshop as it stands. To help people out, especially in England in the lockdown period and most areas of the UK, I've bundled up this workshop with a free version of the new Introduction to Behaviour Change workshop. So if you purchase bundle 1 from my website in the shop, bundle 1 is a combination of the Behaviour Change workshop and the Introduction to Behaviour Change. So you will get that one for free, so saving £30. So just bundle number 1 is, so just click on that, and then it should apply the discount when you get to the checkout. If it doesn't, the coupon code is lockdown-discount. Any problems, just get in touch. So that course, as I say, runs next Sunday. About 4 or 5 places left on it, I think, something like that. And this is going to be really helpful for you in terms of improving client retention. So keeping clients on board, kind of assessing where they are at psychologically, and also it will improve your conversion rate of prospective clients into actual paying clients, because the skills you learn motivational interviewing really allow individuals to find their reasons for change and consequently start making those changes. So that really applies to somebody who's thinking taking on a personal trainer, working with somebody. If you work with them using the MI skills you learn on the workshop, this will certainly help that conversion rate. And there's a number of testimonials on the website that kind of support that view. So as I say, just a short video. If you've got any questions, if you're not sure whether it's for you, you can book a free 15-minute chat with me on the website. Click on there, tells you when I'm available, and I'm happy to discuss whether it's right for you, whether it will work for you. Hopefully you found that interesting, and maybe I'll see some of you on the workshop on the 22nd of November. Cheers for now.